Today we have to discuss the image formed by convex lens. Image formed by convex lens. Convex lens image formed that is following the certain rules. What are the rules? You know from the lens that the ray which is passing through the optical center remains undeviated, and the ray which is parallel to the principal axis after refraction passes through the principal focus. The ray which is passing through the principal focus after refraction becomes parallel to the principal axis. The three conditions, three rules for the rays that you have to remember, and accordingly you can draw the ray diagram for the convex lens. The case number one, if the object is placed at infinite. If the object is placed at infinite, what happens here that if the object is at infinite, the rays which will be coming, these are the parallel rays. So after refraction, because this is coming and passing through the optical center, another is parallel, and after refraction they meet at a point here, and this is called that they meet at focus F. They will meet at principal focus F, and the image which will be formed on the opposite side of that object, that is the real. So image formed is the real, inverted, and situated at principal focus F. Case number 2, if the object is beyond the 2F, object is beyond the 2F means that is beyond the center of curvature. This is the case of 2F and beyond the center of curvature. What happens here? One ray is passing through the optical center, remains undeviated, and another ray which is parallel to the principal axis, after refraction they meet at the point, and hence a real inverted image is formed, and that image which is situated in between the principal focus and center of curvature. Principal focus and center of curvature. If the object is beyond the center of curvature, that is beyond 2F, the image will be formed in between F and 2F. The image so formed is the real, inverted, and between F and 2F. That is the case number 2. Another third case is when object is placed at center of curvature, that is at 2F distance, that is at the center of curvature. Same pattern is there. One is parallel, another is passing through the optical center. After refraction, they meet and produce the image, and that image is formed at 2F. If object is at 2F, the image also will be at 2F. If the object is at center of curvature, the image also will be at center of curvature. The nature will be real, inverted, and situated at 2F. And the object will be situated at 2F, and the size of the image in this case will be the same to that of the size of the image object. Case number 4, object between F and 2F, in between the focus, principal focus, and the center of curvature. And what happens here, that object, same condition, the ray parallel, another is passing through the optical center, the image is formed here. The image is formed AB and A dash B dash, image is formed here, and that image is formed beyond 2F. The image is formed beyond 2F, and in this case the image is real, inverted, and beyond 2F. Image is formed beyond 2F, and in this case the size of the image will be greater than the size of the object. Case number 5, it's a very important case when the object is placed in between principal focus and the optical center. Principal focus and optical center, if the object is formed, same condition, one ray is passing through the optical center, remains undeviated, another is parallel, and it moves and passes through the principal focus, and both the refracted rays, you listen here, both the refracted rays are not meeting after refraction. After refraction they are getting diverged. So if they will be produced backward, they meet at a point here. This is the AB and this is the A1, B1 is the image. So what happens here in this case is the image which is formed on the same side of the object. The image is formed on the same side of the object, and the nature of the image is virtual. The nature of the image is virtual, and size of the image virtual, but it is not inverted, it is erect. Virtual, erect on the same side of the object, on the